Hello, good morning from my third, start of my third full day here in Vancouver without my suitcase. So today I'm officially calling today fuck you Air Canada Day. That's what I'm calling it today. So I'm trying to be like Bear Grylls here. I'm not spending any more money on clothes, but I might just buy, if I can try and find a cheap t-shirt. I'm not buying any underwear because I'm not spending $50,000 on a pair of underwear. So I'm after washing them and stuff, right? This t-shirt I have it since I left Dublin, so it's starting to kind of smell now a bit, so I have to get this t-shirt right. Yeah, so I'm doing the Bear Grylls here. I'll show you, right? So I came in here yesterday, hi peoples, and I washed my underwear in the sink and my socks in here, and I used Canadian soap. Very good, I have to say. So here's my look. So here's my Bear Grylls. There's my underwear. Ah, they smell you can nearly eat them. I swear to God, they're gorgeous. And there's my little white socks. And yeah, so that's it, my friends. That's it. Bring them out there now. No, it's like, I don't know where the cheap shops are here in Vancouver. I've no idea where they are. I'm sure there's somewhere. There has to be. You can't be spending like $140 on a pair of jeans. I never spent $140 on a pair of jeans in Ireland. They're that expensive. I think when I get home I'll take them off me and I'll frame them and put them on the wall until I die. You know what I mean? But I have to say, they're a lovely pair of pants, lovely pair of jeans. So today I'm going to go over as far as Grouse Mountain, right? So you're all welcome to come along. And if you think I'm being stingy or something with my money, I'm most certainly not, because I don't have a credit card. I have a limited amount of money. The bucket list was yesterday, the seaplane. Hope you all watched that video. That cost me 519 Canadian dollars for about an hour and a half trip, right? But to me it was well worth it. It was beyond my expectations. It was fantastic. So yeah, so because I'm after spending roughly so far between these jeans, runners, a belt, socks, I think I bought socks, something else. I had to buy toothpaste and toothbrush, all that kind of stuff. I spent $350, and that was going to do me, I was going to fly over as far as Victoria, you know. Now I can't do that, so fuck you Air Canada, fuck you. Yeah, so you're all welcome to come along, and we'll go down. I'm going to go down and get a cheap breakfast here. I found a cheap breakfast in Granville underground train station here, Skytrain station. Tim Hortons. I got a breakfast yesterday morning for $8.99 and a lovely cup of tea. Well, not a cup of tea, it was a paper cup of tea, but it was gorgeous. So let's go. See you all down there, okay? Just one more little rant before I leave the room, right? I'm looking at their money here, right? This is the Canadian. Sorry, maybe I should go this way because the sun. Yeah. This one here is the $20 Canadian note, and look who's on it, Liz, right? Now I know she's deceased there, right? And it was like I couldn't turn on the television. It's not an anti-English thing, not an anti-English thing. It's anti-bullshit establishment thing, right? I couldn't turn on any of the English stations at all because it was just 24/7 the Queen and the Queen, and we have to mourn the Queen and the Queen and the Queen, and the pomp and the ceremony attached to it, and head of state and all that shit, right? I am not into the monarchy. Not only the monarchy in Britain, but monarchy anywhere in the world. Why? Because it was invented. It was invented by tyrants from way back who, you know, I'm king of the castle, get down you dirty rascal. You know, this is my playing, I'm going to call myself a king and all this shit. That's where it came from. There's no royal blood. I think the British people are absolutely brainwashed from birth, stupid for paying their tax money for people like that to have a big pad called Buckingham Palace with 700 and something rooms, 40 acres in the back of it, the big place where she died above in Balmoral. They have Sandringham and then Windsor Castle, right, and they pay for it out of their taxes, right. Not only do they pay for it out of their taxes, they stupidly go out onto the street when she's visiting somewhere, right, with their little British flags, standing in the cold. Oh, look at the Queen, look at the Queen, right? Bullshit. You could take any English woman from anywhere, from an estate, and give her a designer hat, designer pair of gloves, designer handbag, designer suit, and just tell her to walk around and smile at people and wave, right? And to be Queen. So that's my rant on that. I had enough of it during the whole week. She's dead, she's gone, like us all. You know what I mean? Death is the great equaliser, my friends. And I come over to Canada, and there's her face on a $20 Canadian bill note. Oh God, right, that's it, that's the rant finished. You probably think I'm a bit screwball, but I'm not at all. I just can't stand it. Even in Ireland, I don't believe in having a president in postage stamp Ireland. You know, over 90-something% do. I don't, okay? I'm not into snobbery, self-importance and bullshit like that at all. No way. So let's let's go on down and get breakfast here, right? And then head up to Grouse Mountain and have a bit of you know, I'll show you Grouse Mountain, okay? Right, so I've come into a little cafe here called Brunch. Yeah, I've come down to a little cafe here called Brunch. It's just down from the hotel, on my way down to the harbour, and I'm getting a breakfast here. It's kind of just turkey in it, whatever the hell, so and salad and stuff, right? And they're giving me a pot of tea with milk. So I'll see how much it's going to cost. So I'm having a fantastic holiday, a fantastic time. If I had loads more money, I definitely would have stayed here longer, because it's just fantastic. So yeah, so I'm just waiting here for this breakfast. I'll show you what it's like and how much it's going to cost me, okay? And waiting on the tea. I can't go without a cup of tea, my friends. I'm a teaaholic. So this is my breakfast, my friends. Look really lovely. Look at this. I know there's turkey, I don't know what else he said. He told me what it is, I don't know what that there is. Is that lettuce? Don't know. Cheese on the bread anyway. I think these are potatoes. And of course, my pot of tea. So, cheers, peoples. I don't know how much it all is just yet. I'll tell you this when I finish. Okay, I'm going to tuck into this. Right, so that's after costing me $22 for that breakfast there, which would be about what, maybe 15, 16 euro. I'll accept that because it's a nice, lovely atmosphere inside it, and lovely staff. Yeah, so check it out. It's called Brunch on Granville Street at the, what do you call it, southern end of Grafton Street. Oh, sorry, Granville Street. I think I'm in Ireland here. I'd love to go on one of them big diggers, excavating machines. I don't see too many down and outs here today on the street. It's a hit and miss, I think. No, it was sad. I think it could be along there, not too sure now, right? But I was coming back the other evening from downtown, and there was a girl, lovely looking girl, blonde hair, and a guy, right? And she was lying down, they were lying down, she was spaced out of it. She had no footwear on her. Her feet were exposed, you know what I mean? And I don't know her circumstances, but I was just thinking, my God, isn't that so sad? So sad to see. But I'm just wondering, are the authorities here, or you know, helping these people? Is there organisations who are trying to help them? Like, I mean, you're looking here at a fabulous city, fabulous buildings, condominiums, you want to call them, apartments worth millions, and you think they'd have enough money to help them people. Maybe they can't be helped, I don't know, but anyway. So that's the other side of Vancouver, my friends. But having said that, Vancouver is a fantastic city, fantastic. When you're crossing the street here, right, the pedestrian lights, they go cuckoo. It's like, it reminds you of a cuckoo clock, you know. Cuckoo. Well, it's kind of like a cuckoo. It sounds like a cuckoo. So there's another big crane there. More building going on, my friends. It's not as warm as yesterday. There's a breeze here, but it's just lovely, lovely. And I've seen a tremendous amount of electric Tesla cars here, and I haven't seen one crappy car here yet so far. So yeah. Just fascinated by all the big tall buildings. I know they're the same in New York, I see them in New York and Sydney, Australia and that, but I just love the modern architecture they have here. Love it. Can you hear the cuckoo on the pedestrian crossing? Well, sorry, not pedestrian, yeah, pedestrian lights. Right, so I'm in Granville Station now, and I'm going to go down to the Waterfront, and I'll show you how I get the ticket here with the compass pass, right? So I'm just choosing a daily compass pass fare, because I don't think I'm not going to be using the public transport every day that I'm here. So I think it's $11 per day, but that covers the Seabus, which I'm going to go on now as well, and I'll show you across to North Vancouver, okay? So this is the ticket machine here, right? And this is my compass pass, right? Now, a young lad, fair play to him, showed me how to use this here yesterday. So what I do now is I tap here, right? And I go daily pass, okay? And then what I do is I put the $20 in here, like that. You see, tap again, and now here's my change coming out in the bottom. So I got, see those coins there, each one of them coins is $2. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 something back, right? Okay. So now what I do is I just come up here, tap, and away I go. This is a driverless system. So I'm going down again, and then I'm going down to the Waterfront, and then this will allow me to go into Seabus across the harbour here to North Vancouver, okay? Going down, my friends, going down. So, I think these trains come every 3 minutes. If not, it's every 5 minutes. But I did see 3 minutes, so isn't that amazing, isn't it? So this is under the ground here. It's not all under the ground, just down in downtown here. From about, I think that's from the Chinatown stop to. Now I'm just trying to see where this is going here now. Yeah, okay. Cool, isn't it? Seabus, right. So now this card is going to get me onto the Seabus as well, bring me across the harbour here to North Vancouver. Here's the train station. Pretty cool, man. Another big cruise ship in, Celebrity Cruises, look. Wow. Amazing. Having a blast, my friends, having a blast. This is an amazing system. The people that are on the Seabus get off in the opposite direction. Fantastic. Fantastic. I'm going to keep saying fantastic. Right, welcome to Lonsdale Quay on the north shore of Vancouver. Now I'm going to looking for a bus 236 to Grouse Mountain. Okay.